that around here soon. Mojo, confirm in the room, my man, if that's the case. And then what I need is one of you guys to send me your first names. So I can change first names and initials so I can change it on my sheet. Here we go, box 4. Preston Beck insert. You can tell this isn't a hot box. No autos in the first couple packs. Joe Rogers with Tigers on card, 675. Mojo, if that trade is good, my man, I need you to confirm in the room here. One of you guys, please send me a PM with your first name and second initial. Brian Johnson, Andrew Heaney insert. After this stack, I'm just going to make the change on my list. I got another USA auto. Bryson Brigman, 18 and under out of 299. Aspirations, Tanner Ray here for the Reds out of 200. Whoa, I think this is a low number, guys. USA, Michael Conforto, inscriptions, keep grinding. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's out of 10, and it is. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for the USA spot. I can promise you those are hard to get, because that's the first one I've seen. Or our first one I've pulled, maybe a better way to put it. Clint Coulter for the Brewers, out of 100. That's a nice card. All right, guys, let me just change these, switch these out on my sheet here real fast. All right. All right, so just to be sure now, Brian N. now has the Indians. Jody O now has the Angels. I have it switched out. All right, let's get to the second stack of box 4. That's a nice USA auto. I know those are hard to get, because through my previous 26 boxes, I didn't get one. All right, guys, here we go. Second half of box 4. Base. Logan Vick for the Indians. Right after the trade is confirmed. Out of 776. Auto. Next hit, Padres out of 100. Jeremy Baltz out of 100. You guys can feel free to chat. Just want to clear that out. Kevin Gossman insert. I think we got another USA auto. Gold jersey. Steven Gonzalez auto out of 249. Is that 3 USA autos in this box? That's nuts. Shane Watson for the Phillies out of 200. Die cut. That really happened? 3 USA autos in a box? No offense, Matt, but that's a lot. Arizona, Evan Marzilli out of 100. Aspirations auto. Yeah, Mariners have not done anything yet. It only takes one nice Zanino auto to change that. Another die cut auto for Arizona. I want to say Arizona has 4 die cut autos already. Jake Barrett out of 100. I think they have 4 die cut autos already. Addison Russell and Tyler Wagner die cut out of 200 for the Brewers. That's box 4. Moving on to box 5. Padres just had a die-cut auto shortly ago, but I couldn't tell you who it was. I can't keep track. There are way too many hits in this stuff. Some of the teams stick out just because they're getting a bunch, but... Hold on one second, guys. Hey, y'all, give me half a second. Sorry for the delay. All right, sorry about that. Yeah, this is box 5, guys. We've gotten a ton of hits already. What I love about this stuff. Plenty more possibility, plenty more chances to hit some monsters. All right, here we go. Base, aspirations, non-auto, Rangers, Colin Wills out of 200. Oops, out there. Yearbook, Corey Seager. Elite Series, Kevin Gossman. That's the 4th one of that card we've gotten already. Blue, die cut, auto out of 50, Seth Willoughby for the Rockies. Yeah, they do. We just haven't hit any of them yet. Ton of base. Ton of non-autos in a row here. Here's an auto. Martin Augusta for the Giants out of 200. Nice low number short print base auto for the Giants. That was a pretty slow first half. Or a very slow first half of the box. When you hit hot boxes, it makes the normal boxes seem a little slow in comparison. I think I see somebody here who's going to be happy with another hit, who's been asking for more. All right, here we go. Another USA auto. Ryan Olson out of 249. Another D.D. Gregorius for the Reds. That's 621. That's the one that I saw sticking out. Aspirations, Max White for the Rockies out of 200. Alexis Rivera for the Royals, 797 auto. Byron Buxton insert. And, oh, I thought that was another USA auto. It's not. Stephen Romero. The inserts have been running really weird. We keep getting the same guys over and over again. Blue, non-auto. 0 out of 100. Colin Rogers for the Royals. Yeah, we've had 2 hot boxes, which truthfully, 2's probably maybe even more than we should have gotten. Anthony Banda for the Brewers out of 500 auto. Blue auto for the Angels. R.J. Alvarez out of 50 for the Angels. So the Angels Indians trade. They've each gotten a hit since the trade happened. Joey Gallo insert. That's it for box 5. Alright guys, I'm going to move these hits out of the way. On to box 6. If anybody's interested, guys, afterwards, I got a box of 2011 Topps Chrome Football and 2011 Topps Platinum Football. If you guys are interested in doing a divisional break, we can do that. So stick around if you guys want to do that afterwards. All the baits are shipped, guys, unless you tell me otherwise. If you don't want them, please let me know. Obviously, there's a ton of shipping involved with that. But if you want them, they're yours. Like I said, if you don't want them, please let me know. As there's a million cards here, and if you're just going to throw them in a box that you don't want or you're going to throw them away, please let me know. It'd be much appreciated. Soon we're going to be having a base donation program, guys, where every time you donate your base from a break for each spot, you're going to get a spot in a raffle, and the prize will be determined on how many donations are made. It should be pretty cool. We're going to be going to that here soon. We just haven't gotten there yet. Corey Seager for the Dodgers out of 200. Non-auto. I see some... What is this? Oh, I thought it was black. Damn. I thought it was black. We either got a gold or an orange. Gold or an orange. Gold or an orange. Out of 5, auto, and I know who it is, Colin Wiles for the Rangers out of 5. I thought it was black. It was not showing up very well when I saw the corner of it. 3 out of 5 for the Rangers. Nice hit, Colin Wiles. First round pick. I think he's supplemental. Nice hit for the Rangers. That's our first big hit, I would say. Diamond Kings, Almora for the Cubs. That's a beauty. Nice hit for the Rangers. Elite Series, Victor Roach. And man, we've got a lot of bums in a row. Here we go. Matt Koch. Matt Koch. Out of 100. He's for the Mets. Aspirations. Auto. Ryan McNeil. Out of 100 for Chicago. He sure looks like he's a Cub. 99% sure he's a Cub out of 100. Ryan McNeil. That's the first one of his I've pulled, so I haven't had the opportunity to go look him up, but he's wearing a blue and red jersey, so I'm assuming that he's a Cub. I won't let that throw me off, though, because there's a couple guys that look like they're wearing Yankees and their Mets, and there's a couple guys that look like they're wearing White Sox and their Cubs, so I will research all of them before we ship them out, just to make sure they're going to the right spot. Have we got any green ink autos out of 10 yet? I'm kind of surprised if we haven't. I've hit a bunch of green ink autos and stuff that I've opened. I don't remember seeing any. We did? We hit one? 26 boxes. Alright. Base. Aspirations. Non-auto. Yasmel Valentin for the Dodgers. Preston Beck. Well, I opened 6 and they were really good, so I got a case. My 6 were better than my case, which is sad. USA Auto, Reese McGuire, $2.99. Nope, I thought that was a redemption. Seemed kind of thin, but nope. Blue, status, non-auto, Yairo Bettis for the Rangers. Auto, Anthony Melchianda for the Cardinals, $7.91. Oh, God, I thought that was black again. It's not showing up very well, and I keep thinking that's black. We got a green, status, 25, auto, Corey Black. Is that Yankees? Is Corey Black Yankees? 4th round pick, New York. He played at Staten Island and Charleston. Somebody's got to look that up. I don't know if it's Yankees or Mets. I think it's Yankees. Corey Black out of 25. Nice to get an auto out of 25 in the same box. We got an auto out of 5. Yankees. That's what I thought. And another USA auto. Blake Weatherford out of 99, 15 and under. I think I mentioned it when we first listed this stuff in our breaks that I thought the USA slot was going to be a heck of a buy. I think it was probably priced way too cheap, but that's all right. Matt got a good buy on that. We've had a ton of USA hits already. An absolute ton. All right, half of box 7. We've got a few teams that are killing it. I'd say the Rangers are killing it. I'd say the Diamondbacks have done really well, especially for the buy-in price. The Marlins have done really well for the buy-in price. USA has done really, really well. I'd really love to see some Correa, Buxton type of action. Maybe a little Addison Russell, a little Gallo, a little Dahl. 9 USA autos already. Wow. And you know we're not done. I guarantee there's at least a couple more. Alright, here we go. Guarantee there's at least a couple more. It's a double insert in here. Double inserts. I don't know why they put the inserts in backwards and make me think that it's something good when it's not. Byron Buxton. Called for it and got it. Byron Buxton for the Twins out of $5.99. Called for it and hit it. All right. Now let's hit a Correa. Can I do that? Can I call for a Correa and get that? Mac Williamson for the Giants out of 200. Buxton's a nice hit. There we go. Out of 25 for the Rays again. Andrew Tolles. Out of 25, red ink. Rays have done very, very well in this break. They don't even have that many hits. I'd say they've done phenomenally well. Matt Price out of 100 for the Red Sox. Non-auto. Thinking inserts backwards. Another Kevin Gossman insert. It's like the 5th Kevin Gossman insert. Auto. Josh Turley for the Tigers out of 799. Elite Series, Devin Marrero. Another auto coming. Seth Manis for the Cardinals, 722. How many autos we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 autos already. So we got a shot at being hot here. We got a shot at being a hot box. Either that or we're going to get 2 more and second half is going to be really slow. I'm gonna say we're gonna get hot. Let's get hot in here. Let's pull a Correa for Jared. Jared, you been getting hits with your other teams? All right, here we go. Second half. Another USA auto. Carson Sands, gold jersey, 249. I don't know how many hot boxes are in a case. 3 or 4? Yes, Mel Valentin, Dodgers out of 200, non-auto. Doesn't look like we're hot, guys. Well, maybe not. Jeremy Baltz. For the Padres, $7.99. We would need 5 more autos to be hot. I don't see that happening. Too late now. We've gone too far in here. Alex Wood, 25 for the Braves. Alex Wood. Nice die cut for the Braves. Alex Wood actually does sell very well. Auto, Carson Kelly out of 10 for the Cardinals. And Carson Kelly sells well. For the Cardinals out of 10. Very nice. Carson Kelly. I'd say this has been a good box. I would say this was a good box. And I think we got another auto coming. Still got another auto. Oh, I shouldn't say that. We got another red Aspirations. Yeah, baby. Out of 100, but in red ink. That's interesting. Seems to be an error. For Texas. Texas has done phenomenally well in this break. I think that's supposed to be out of 25, guys. I think it's supposed to be out of 25. All right, let me save this recording.